There's some misconceptions out there that door hardware is hard. I want to do a little short video of those little pieces of information that you're going to need for every door in the house. Once you have this information, the door hardware is not difficult. It's pretty easy. You have tubular, you have mortise, but in each case, you're going to need these measurements. The first one is going to be your back set. The back set is the distance from the center of the pre-board hole, or the center of the lever in this case, to the edge of the door. Most common is going to be 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 for tubular sets. It's going to be 2 1/2 and 2 3/4 for mortise sets. That's called the back set. Secondly, you're going to need the door thickness. That's the edge of the door. How thick is that door? In this case, it's 1 3/4. Standard is 1 3/4 for the exterior door and 1 3/8 for interior doors on a residential home. Lastly, you're going to need to hand that door. Handing is not difficult. If you're standing on the outside of the door, looking into the room, what side are those hinges on? Let's look at this set. So this is a privacy set, meaning you can lock it from the inside. So we know this is the inside of the room. So if we're standing on the outside of the room, which is this side, which way are the hinges going to be, and which way is this door going to swing? Well, it's a left-hand door. So if I'm standing over here, the hinges are going to be on the left side of that door. Once you have those pieces of information, everything else is just decisions on style and piecing that order together. But that's your technical information. See, wasn't that hard.